Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing M from alphabet lore. To get it started, let's just draw in the two eyes on the M. We're going to start on the left page. Right around here, we're going to draw in a little curved line. And move over around 1 inch, and we're going to draw the same line on the opposite side. Once you are done with those two lines, let's connect the top and bottom. That's looking good. It's like almost like a rounded rectangle. Now let's finish off the eye with a line a little bit above the middle and a little square eye. Let's add in a little highlight and fill in the eye real quick. Once you're done with one of the eyes, let's move over, let's say 1, 2.5 eyes, and repeat the same eye on the right. Draw the line on either side and connect the top. Let's do a horizontal line and the eye with a highlight. And just fill it in. I'll give you a moment to complete that. Once you're done with both eyes, let's draw in the mouth. We're going to go to the left and go one little line here and a little line here. And we're going to draw in a wavy mouth. Like so. It's almost like an M but flattened out. With the mouth done, let's draw in the rest of the M. So right in the center above the mouth, right around here, we're going to start the middle of the M. Let's go up to the right and the left. And then from this point on, we're going to go to the right a little bit and back down to the middle of the top of the eye. And we want to repeat this on the other side, to the left, and around the middle of the top eye. With the top of the M done, let's draw in the rest of it. We're going to go follow this angle down to this point, and let's follow it down all the way to here. And we want it to go across around the same point and then match it with this line for the two outsides of our M. All we need to do is fill in the middle. Let's go to the left and then go back to the middle. Same thing on the right. We want to end it up just around here, just so we can draw in the rest of the M. So from here, we're just going to go and draw a really big M to finish our M. Let's add some depth to our drawing by adding some dimensionality. So on this leg, we want to go up like so to add some depth. And on the top, we just need to draw in a line out on the outside of each of these and follow the inside line down a little bit. And we need to continue this outside line down and connect to the bottom. And there you have it. Your M drawing is done. Let's add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.